Hello y'all, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete a story on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do is you're simply gonna go ahead and access your Snapchat app first. Go ahead, tap on it. Now once you open your Snapchat, let's go ahead, simply make a story for yourself. Once we have made our story, if you tap on this story option, the story is now added. We can go ahead, tap on our profile, and we can see our story is over here, right? Which we want to delete it, so we can go to our story section, tap on this three dot given on top right corner, and we can tap on this delete snap option, and then our story will be deleted. This is the first option. Now the second is going to this section, tapping on your story like that, and then you will find this kind of a story given below, including the time. Go ahead, long press on it, tap on this delete snap, again confirm it, and now your story is deleted. You cannot find your story below your profile anymore. You can go back and tap again, go back and tap on your profile. You want to find the story. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.